How AI and drones are changing fighter jet technology. Artificial intelligence, AI, and drone technology are revolutionizing the aerospace industry, particularly in the development and operation of fighter jets. These advancements are reshaping modern warfare, enhancing efficiency, and reducing risks for human pilots. Here's how. AI-powered autonomous systems. AI is being integrated into fighter jets to enable autonomous decision-making. Modern jets like the F-35 use AI to process vast amounts of data from sensors, radars, and cameras in real time. This allows pilots to focus on strategic decisions while AI handles complex calculations, threat detection, and targeting. AI also improves predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and costs. Loyal wingman drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are now being deployed as loyal wingmen to accompany manned fighter jets. These AI-driven drones, such as the XQ-58 Valkyrie, can perform reconnaissance, carry out strikes, and even act as decoys to protect human-piloted aircraft. This collaboration extends the reach and survivability of fighter jets in combat zones. Swarm technology. AI enables drone swarms, groups of small, coordinated drones that can overwhelm enemy defenses. These swarms can perform synchronized attacks, conduct surveillance, or jam enemy communications. The U.S. Air Force and other militaries are actively testing this technology for future battles. Enhanced training and simulation. AI-powered simulators are transforming pilot training. These systems create realistic combat scenarios, allowing pilots to practice against AI-driven adversaries. This improves readiness and reduces the need for expensive live training exercises. Reducing human risk. By integrating AI and drones, militaries can minimize the risk to human pilots in high-threat environments. Drones can undertake dangerous missions, such as penetrating heavily defended airspace, without endangering lives. Future prospects. The combination of AI and drones is paving the way for fully autonomous fighter jets. Countries like the U.S., China, and Russia are investing heavily in sixth-generation fighter jets that will rely heavily on AI and drone technology.